We've got my ZXR750. Hasn't been ridden for probably 10 years. It's just been parked up, just rotting itself to death. I ended up doing heaps of work to it early on. It's turbocharged, it's fuel injected, but yeah, all long ago. And she just, yeah, corroded itself to death. Fuel tank sprung a leak. Yeah, ended up killing the paint job on the tank. What else we got? Yeah, just general wear and tear just from sitting in the cold shed. Everything's gone rusty. It used to be polished. All this frame was all beautiful. Yeah, it's corroded. So I've got the bodywork for it, which should be in pretty good nick, which is these side panels. New side panels up here. What else we got? I got a new aluminium fuel tank. It's all painted, ready to go. I just have to modify the plenum chamber so it all fits. But I really want to simplify things down a bit, like the ignition coils are on either side from memory. Everything just takes up room and is done, you know, it's just got so much clutter on it. I just want to neaten it up so that it's better, you know. It all from memory ran pretty good in the end, but it's just, it needs an update, simplified down, and yeah, brought back to its former glory. Also the wiring, that is all, it's all horrible, so I want to neaten all that up. Yeah, trim it all up a bit, simplify it down, and yeah, wrap it all up so it's nice and neat. Not this rat's nest of crap. Yeah, so that's where we're up to. So yeah, I'll try and post a few videos of it getting done. We're going to fully pull it apart because we've got this bike build challenge which we're all getting into. There's about 12 guys that are put their hand up for an old bike like this that they've had in their shed for years and years, and we're all going to try and get them going by March the 1st. Yeah, so with winter coming, it's going to get a bit quieter at the shop, so we'll end up having some more time to get him done. The old fork legs all pitted and buggered. I strapped it down, and that's how I used to ride it. Always just pulled down with the front end, and the back end was always lowered. Because yeah, it made about 180 brake horsepower. So with stock gearing, it would lift the wheel in 4th gear. First and second gear was just a beast, just power wheelie. Yeah, no, she's a great bike. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. Stay tuned.